Dear children, very good morning. Today we shall discuss the second part of the lesson, the best Christmas present in the world. There is fighting going on between British and German people. Jim McPherson, a captain in the British Army, Connie is his wife, Hans Wolf, an army officer, Thomas Hardy, a good novelist. He has written Far from the Madding Crowd. This is the name of his novel. Now come to words meaning: marzipan, edible things, and muddle headed, confused. So the war is going on between these two armies. It is not good thing. It is the occasion of the Christmas, and they reconciliation, bring into harmony. They again become friends of each other, and they salute, they say best Christmas. McPherson has written a letter to his wife Connie. There he has expressed his feeling. They play together football and other games. The game is the best method to reconciliate the people, to make the people friendship. Thus, we can see that the war is very bad thing. They come together and they are eating together. They are taking marzipan, edible things, and other edible things also. Now they are happy. Connie has preserved her husband's letter. Now we can see the comprehension questions that are given here in the text. Now see the first question. Who had written the letter to whom and when? Jim has written a letter to his wife Connie. In when it is given in the book. Now see on page number 10, last line, last line, December 26, 1914. Why was the letter written? The letter was written because he had expressed his feeling. What was the wonderful thing that had happened? The wonderful thing that was there, the best Christmas present. He has expressed that they are eating together. War is very bad thing. There is always hurdles in the war. Third one, what jobs did Hans Wolf and Jim McPherson have when they were not soldiers? Before joining the army, Hans was player of cello and Jim McPherson was a teacher in the school. Fourth, had Wolf ever been to dance? Why did he say he knew it? No, Hans Wolf did not know, but he knew it from the novel written by Thomas Hardy, Far from the Madding Crowd. Far from the Madding Crowd. Last one, do you think Jim McPherson came back from the war? Do you think Jim McPherson came back from the war? I think he did not come back from the war because his wife Connie has preserved the letter. So, dear children, you will do the exercise in your copy and read the lesson thoroughly and try to give the answer. Thank you.